15 tips to lose weight. Without waste of time, let's dive in. Number 1. Keep a note of everything that you eat and drink. You do not need to estimate calories. Just write down what it was that you had and the approximate quantity. Number 2. Halve your intake of all pure or added fats. This means using half as much butter or spread on your bread, toast, muffins and potatoes, half the usual amount of mayonnaise or sauce on your salad, and half the oil in the fry pan every time. Number 3. Limit treats containing sugar to 3 times per week. This includes chocolate, ice cream, desserts, cake, pastries, cookies, etc. Number 4. Include a lower fat source of protein at most meals: chicken, fish, beans, cottage cheese, or low-fat yogurt. Number 5. Plan at least one lunch and dinner every week without meat or cheese. Number 6. Reduce the fat content in your milk products. From 2% reduce to 1%. Number 7. Have at least 2 servings of fruit every day. This can be for dessert or snacks. Number 8. Drink water instead of sodas, juices, milky drinks or alcohol. Avoid diet soda, the sweet taste only encourages you to crave sugar. Number 9. Include at least 2 servings of vegetables at lunch and dinner. If you are getting hungry, have more. Number 10. Eat slowly. Number 11. Grated carrot makes a great snack. Strange but true. Number 12. Use whole grains wherever possible. The fiber will give you a fuller feeling and also help your digestion. Number 13. Choose food that you can chew. Again, this will increase your fiber intake. This means eating fruit instead of drinking juice. Number 14. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. Number 15. Always switch off the TV when you eat. Thank you for watching.